Every home begins with a story, a conversation between the client's dreams and the architect's imagination. Located in Bisector 33, Gurugram, this residence is designed to breathe, filled with natural light, open ventilation, and a facade that's both modern and secure. The front elevation defines its character, a blend of aluminium cladding, metal louvers, and a CNC-cut portrait of Shri Ganesh that adds grace and identity to the design. The side facade continues this language of balance and contrast with a rich blend of textured finishes, wood-toned panels, and layered window frames that enhance depth and symmetry across the structure. The windows add rhythm, natural light, and ventilation, creating bright, breathable interiors. A long, continuous balcony connects every room, inviting light, air, and openness throughout the day. Inside, the tone is calm and minimal. Attached balconies in every room enhance connection with the outdoors. The layered gypsum ceiling with cove lighting adds depth and softness, while warm textures and veneered brass inlay walls bring a touch of timeless elegance. The terrace becomes a highlight, featuring an outdoor sitting pergola and a panoramic view that captures the calm of everyday luxury. As evening sets in, the facade glows softly. The metal details and textures come alive in warm light, a home that stands for balance, beauty, and simplicity, crafted with care, designed to breathe and built to last.